Hello everyone. Imagine this, a new user signs up, they instantly receive a welcome email, your team gets notified in Slack. Their data is tracked in Google Sheets and follow-ups happen automatically without you touching anything. Today I will show you exactly how I built a fully automated onboarding system using n8n and how you can use the exact same logic for SaaS, courses, agencies or client onboarding workflows. Let me tell you at first what this automation solves. You know, manual onboarding is slow, inconsistent and easy to forget. People forget follow-ups, teams miss notifications, and data becomes messy. These automation solves all of that by capturing user data instantly, sending automated emails, tracking users in Google Sheets, scheduling follow-ups, and triggering human takeover only when needed. Let me quickly explain the structure before we go into details. Basically, this system has two main flows. One is real-time onboarding flow, which is triggered by Webhook, and the second one is a scheduled follow-up flow, which will be triggered by time delays. For that, we will use a schedule trigger in n8n workflows. The tools I used here are n8n as the automation engine, Webhook as the entry point, Gmail for email communication, Slack for internal notifications, and Google Sheets as a lightweight CRM. Now let's discuss about the workflows. The step one is triggering the workflow. You know, everything starts with a webhook. In production, this webhook will be triggered by front end or payment system. For testing, I am using Postman. I will send four fields to my webhook through Postman. The fields are first name, last name, email, and phone number. The moment when I will hit send, the webhook activates the workflow so that no manual action will be required. In step 2, once the webhook receives the data, the first action is a welcome email. This email greets the user by their name, includes an account creation link, sets the tone for onboarding. This ensures that every user gets an instant response, which massively improves trust and conversion. In step 3, at the same time, the system sends a message to a Slack channel. The message tells the team that a new user has joined, who the user is, and the onboarding has started. So even though everything is automated, the team stays fully informed in real time. In step 4, now comes the core logic, Google Sheets handling. The Sheets has the following column. You will see the columns in shortly. They are the columns are full name, email, phone, payment date, first follow-up, and human takeover. Let's discuss two kind of case. For case one, if the user is new, the system appends a fresh row, automatically fills in all fields, marks follow-up, and takeover fields as pinned. If the user already exists, the system updates the existing row, prevents duplicate entries, keeps data clean and reliable. This turns Google Sheets into a lightweight CRM, fully managed by automation. In step 4, which is a scheduled follow-up automation, now let's talk about the delayed automation. This is where n8n really shines. After 3 days, the system checks the Google Sheet, sends a first follow-up email, politely reminds the user about payment or next steps. And after 5 days, the system triggers a human takeover, sends another message indicating manual intervention is required. This ensures no leads fall through the cracks. Automation handles 80% and human step is only when needed. All follow-ups are handled by a separate scheduled workflow. This workflow runs automatically at defined intervals. I'll show you guys which kind of data I set in this schedule trigger. This workflow runs automatically at defined intervals, reads Google Sheet rows, checks dates and status, sends emails or notification accordingly, updates the sheet after every action so that no reminders, no calendar events, no manual tracking. Now let me tell you why this system is so powerful. The onboarding system is scalable, reliable, human efficient, and production ready. You can easily adapt it for course onboarding, SaaS users, client onboarding, payment follow-ups, and CRM automation. This is the power of workflow automation with n8n. If you want faster onboarding, fewer manual tasks, and smarter systems. Now I will show you how this workflow really works. So this is what modern onboarding tools like automation does the boring, repetitive work. Humans step in only when it actually matters. I have covered some of data you are going to see for some security purpose. I wish you understand this video properly. If this helped you think differently about onboarding or automation, that's a win. Thanks for watching, and I will see you